Hi, it's Cassie Villela, and today we are going to be learning how to change the heat-cold settings on your shower. So this may have happened to you recently when we moved into our new home with brand new showers, bathtubs, totally flipped home. When we turned the water on though to take a shower, no hot water, like none. Like it got lukewarm at best. And so after about a couple of weeks of cold showers, it was like, okay, I cannot even deal with this. I'm gonna take this handle apart and just see if there's something stupid wrong with it that I can fix easily before calling a plumber. And finally, with plumbing, something went right for me, and I found out that it's actually a very simple fix that I can show you how to do. You only need one tool, an Allen wrench, a very small Allen wrench, and voila, you can do it yourself in about 3 minutes. So come on, let's go in and fix the shower.
Okay, so get a towel ready and put it over the drain. And the reason for that is that you don't want to drop any screws or tools down the drain. That would make this repair a much more complicated process. So underneath the handle, there should be a small hole, and you won't even be able to see the screw. It'll probably be, way up in there, but you'll need an Allen wrench to reach that. Different fixtures might be different sizes, so I recommend getting, I like these little packs from, I think I just got this at Lowe's or whatever, of like 8 different size Allen wrenches, so that you can just try each one until you find the right one. This is the most difficult part of the process because each handle is slightly different, and it kind of takes some finagling to get it aligned correctly and get it out of there. Once you do, the handle will or should just slide right off. This is a fairly new faucet, so there wasn't any there weren't any calcium deposits or anything that caused an issue there. But the lever should slide right off. That's the screw that I took out. And then there's a part that should twist off. And again, I'm not really doing it, there's no force, I'm not hitting anything, I'm just pulling things off. On mine, there was this red plastic clip that I noticed, and I was able to remove that. It just, again, slid right off, just like the previous 2 things. And I'm going to show it to the camera now that it prevents the handle from twisting too far, so that regulates how hot the handle can get, or how far the handle can turn, and therefore how hot the water can get. And so basically on ours, the problem was that the way that was installed, it would not even let the handle turn enough to get even to lukewarm water. So I just rotated that a bit counterclockwise, and that way I could get more hot water. Then you just load that screw back onto the Allen wrench after putting everything back on, just the way you brought it out. I find it helpful when I'm doing plumbing fixtures like this to just lay everything kind of in order of the way I took it off. That way I kind of can go reverse the order and when I'm placing it back. But that's it. That should fix your water problem. Alright, I sat down to edit and add the voiceover and realized that I didn't film an outro a few weeks ago when I filmed that video. So here you are, different clothes, different day. Sorry. I hope that was helpful. I hope that your shower problem was that easy to fix. Let me know in the comments if that solved your problem. That would make me really happy to help other people to get their hot showers back. If you like videos like this and you want to see more, then definitely click like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.